other kid. Nakalikan to Philippine lineage.
I like
Unfortunately, these guys, they come from Australia, they come from Vietnam, who will understand the language. The language junior side, that they have teams now that we love, and some teams. So, we don't have here. Puro sila mga
Ito, share ko lang. I was privileged enough to speak to the team captain from Australia, and she mentioned that so many of them have traveled outside of Australia for the first time. So naturally, so many of them are experiencing the Philippines or even Southeast Asia for the first time. So we're happy that at least for those who are getting a taste of the region first, you came to the right place. This is the best country that will truly embrace you. And you'll find that the Filipino volleyball fans are very passionate and would want to know more about all of you, even our players from Vietnam. So we hope that you will enjoy your first experience here in the Philippines.
May follow-up, sir?
Ito.
Sige, sir.
Format na lang, Sergio, paano kasi 6 teams, how many matches, may groupings.
Six teams, yes. Meron tayong best, like I mentioned, the best of 5 sets per match. And then we have, each team will have 5 matches for the preliminary. The preliminary will, after the preliminary will be the semifinals and so. Okay? But during the semifinals, we still ask the last 2 teams to play because we want to get the classification of those 2 teams. And then the regular final. So these are all single matches. Wala na tayong best of 3, gano'n, prize to win. Wala na yun. All single matches. Preliminary will determine the rank from 1 to 6. And then during the semifinals, 1 and 4 will play, and then 2 and 3 will play, and then we get the winners of those for the gold medal. Ganun lang kasi. All of these are best of 5 sets.
We have one more follow-up from Amanda. Go ahead, sir.
Just like to ask Shaina. Ma'am Shaina, you played 2 years sa JT, and then you were chosen to play for Las Filipinas. Could you share to us some of your experience in Shakey's, and then what will be your modest advice or inspiration to our homegrown squads here? Thank you.
Yun po. Through my experience po, from playing from GVL up until collegiate sa Shakey's po, madami po akong natutunan, especially televised din siya and marami din pong nanonood at sumusubaybay doon. So parang alternative din po siya for me to be ready for UAAP or other leagues na sasalihan ng bata. Example, meron po kasi iba't ibang games ng Shakey's like Invitational. So may mga teams na nakukuha like them, yung galing sa ibang bansa and then yung galing sa ibang province ng Philippines na ready sila to gain experience for what's next for them, for their team. And for me, sobrang laking tulong ng JPs na ma-face ko yung fear ko na natatry ko na sumubok na hindi ako natatakot kasi hindi pa yun yung pinaka-actual na pinaghahandaan ko as a player. So, madami akong nag-gain and marami pa akong i-gain na experience through the years na lalaroin ko pa for Shakey's.
Thank you so much, Ryan. And now we have another question from Sir Edwin from Manila Stack.
Hello ma'am, good morning po. Edwin Rullion from Manila Standard and SportsTech.ph. Kay Ma'am Victorina. Ma'am, would you mind to ask you first a question kung you're related to my basketball idol, Hector Tama? Kasi po, malaman mo sinabi siya na hindi ko tinalo sa basketball. Okay, question po is, are we limited the participation of foreign teams to do or marami naman tayong invite pero sila lang ang nag-respond?
We invited actually a couple of teams. I think the calendar of the respective foreign teams was just limited both in time of invitation and their sports calendar. So we're lucky that the two teams here today, their calendars fit this particular schedule. But the invitation was made available to several other teams. These two are the ones meant for this team.
Ma'am, yung Shakey's kasi, yung foundation niya, nakabase sa school school base yan. Any plan to dig deeper, to participate sa LGU, para yung mga teams sa mga para citywide, municipality,
So our objective is really, with Shakey's, is really to develop the grassroots. And that's why you see us starting with the juniors and the players. So extending beyond that is always an opportunity, it's always a welcome opportunity. But you also, I hope you understand that what we are trying to deliver or give to our athletes is, as our tagline says, rising stars, global stage, elite level, elite talent. So while we have all these other teams and all these other grassroots opportunities, we always want to bring the best of the best. So if that opportunity arises, that we have a team maybe in the LGU or something that comes out as the best, we will obviously have that opportunity to bring them with us. But always, we want to elevate. We always want to elevate because be better, become the best. So any opportunity that allows us to do that, we will take.
Madam, yung broadcast, wala nang matasabi maganda na nakakatuwa naman, maraming nagsasabi. Pero masisiguro ba natin na makakapanood or mapapanood sa Australia at saka sa Vietnam para mapanood ko mga kamag-anak nito mga players natin, the Filipino community as well?
So for the benefit of our friends from Australia and Vietnam, the question is whether we can assure that the games will be made available in your countries. So we have ensured with our partners like Smart Sports and the other social platforms and digital platforms where we stream live that the content is not geo-blocked. So it's not exclusive to the Philippines because we also see that there are so many Filipinos that really follow the games, and you know that Filipinos are everywhere in the world. I'm sure that somehow you know a group of Filipinos where you are from, and they also follow. What's great is as the Philippine brand of volleyball gets to be seen and be known, I think it also is getting more appreciated by the Filipinos who are in different corners of the world. So we are making sure that Shakey's Super League reaches the different Filipino fans, no matter where they are. And we hope that with your presence, Vietnam and Australia, we can also share how good Philippine brand of play is. So thank you for being here because it gives them an opportunity. So it's really beneficial to Shakey's, the players, the league, for the content to be made available all over the world. Thanks for that question and allowing us to clarify.
Thank you, Madam. Hey, Sir Dick, what about sa mga subscriber ng Smart?
The platform that we created, Musubi platform, is open for Saturdays. Tournaments like the Shaky Super League is not supposed to be a league kept. That's why we put it out on the open internet. So anyone can stream the games live free. You don't need subscriptions whatsoever. Just log in and watch and enjoy the games.
Any more questions from the media? All right, and now joining us here at the press conference, we'd like to acknowledge Ms. Regina Asa from the Shakey's Pizza Asia Ventures Incorporated Marketing, and a round of applause for Ms. Reg. Once again, a round of applause for Ms. Reg. Our respect marketing head. All right. And now, Ms. Reg, since you're able to join us, we're going to give the mic to you for your opening message as well. Round of applause for Ms. Reg po.
So we had an event yesterday, so I'm sorry for today, but I'm glad to have a today because I'd like to thank President India, as always. Last week, of course, I'd like to also welcome all the participants for this year's National Invitationals Collegiate Division. So last week was the juniors. Now we are excited because it's now the collegiate division that is playing for the National Invitation. So this is the first time that we're having foreign teams from Vietnam and Australia. Okay, so welcome to all of you, and of course to all of the other visitors today. So on behalf of SPAVI President and CEO, Mr. Vic Gregorio, and our General Manager, Mr. Oli Sita, who are not able to join today because of an emergency meeting. So again, Shakey's is still committed to support the volleyball advocacy of the Philippines. Of course, when we started this with ICES back in 2021, right? So we said we will continue the legacy of Shakey's because it was always Shakey's that supported volleyball since 20 years ago with the Shakey's League. And of course, with this national invitationals, we are expanding, we are growing, and we are leveling up the tournament. You know, so because we've seen that from the two tournaments, we've done the GIDO with an expanded teams with about 40 teams, I think. And then now, we don't only have local teams, but we also have foreign teams joining us. So that means we can already expand our teams globally, right? So thank you very much, and we hope to see you in the next week for the games.
Ms. Reg Asa. Now for our friends from the media, do you still have any more questions?
Matanong ko kasi kanina sa ISIS, if ever na pwedeng mag-dip tayo sa participation sa local unit, no? Regional municipality. Kung magkaroon nga ng chance, ano po ang magiging stand ng ISIS?
Normally naman, whatever is the request for blocking, so we discuss it. If there's an opportunity to have this local competition, LGBT, even for the next tournament, for the next season, in the future, I think we're open naman to actually do it. But of course, our priority is actually the 3 tournaments that we have now. I remember back last year, I think in 2024, Ian and I talked about doing a summer league. So we did this with the LGU, right? So I think we're open to all the opportunities. If there's a volleyball community who is actually requiring Shakey's to support or sponsor, we can.
All right, before we move on to our special presentation from our media, There will be another round of cues with our coaches and team captains later. All right, so